Morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader here with your Wednesday morning pre-market webcast from Mr. Topstep. First of all, I want to wish everybody a very happy Thanksgiving, you and all of your families. We're headed into a holiday period now, and the market broke pretty hard again last night. Right now we're trading down at 1174. We've been as low as 66.75. It's starting to feel like it may be morphing into a little bit of a psychological market versus a technical market. And what I mean by that is when the market becomes very confused and nervous. And that's what I'm seeing in the tape here. There's a lot of confusion, especially in Europe. And there's a lower level of confusion here with respect to the super committee. And I think a lot of people are very nervous, both long and short, going into Thursday and Friday. I hear a lot of people very concerned that we are going to be locked out of these markets on Thursday, and with everything that's going on in Europe and the fact that they're trading is getting people very nervous, and we've gotten multiple 10-handle swings up and down on the Globex last night. So I'm not declaring this a psychological market at this point. I did that on my webcast back in early August, and basically my definition of that is when the market it doesn't want to trade on technicals, it wants to trade on the psychology of fear and whatever else is going on in the world. And that's when we get these big drops, and it will drop through multiple fib levels, and like they aren't even there because the market doesn't care that they're there. So I'm not saying we're there right now, but what I am saying is the tape is becoming very jerky. We are only 6 handles below the 45-day pivot. So we are in no way stretched to the downside. But at the same time, it's been a pretty orderly move down. But we have to see if the bulls can hold on in here. But I'm going to be trading today. We're trading pretty light. Friday morning, we're trading in the mornings. I will have a webcast out Friday, and then back with the usual on Sunday night and into Monday. But just be aware that fear is really starting to creep into this market, and it hasn't overcome the technicals, but it's getting pretty close, and you need to keep that in the back of your mind. Let's do support and resistance. Current trade is 74.25. So let's do the upside first. 45-day pivot 1179.75, then 1183, 1187, 1193, 1199, and 1203. On the downside, I've got 1168, 1165, 1163, 1156, and then 2 fib levels 1153 and 1144. Just remember that above that 1203 number that I gave you are all those multiple layers of fib congestion. Be aware of those. So everybody have a great day today trading. Have a fantastic holiday. I will be out Friday morning with a webcast. Mike Vacchi, Princeton Trader for Mr. Topstep. Trade 'em well.